Connected. Insta be connected. Bhuvana ma'am, hi. Thanks for joining. Vani ma'am, hi. Pratibha ma'am, Vaishali ma'am, Jayanti ma'am, Ratna ma'am, Anupam ma'am, thanks for joining. Very good evening, everyone. Krishna ma'am, hi. Vidya Ranjan ma'am, hi. Mamta ma'am, Deepti ma'am, very good evening. Pooja ma'am, hi. Sai Hilari ma'am, hi. Nishita ma'am, hello ma'am. Divya ma'am, hello. Rupa ma'am, hi. Nihar ma'am, beautiful sari. Thank you, Sanjeev ma'am. Jayashree ma'am, hi. Vidya Ranjana ma'am, hi. Shail Ratna ma'am, hi. Saraswati ma'am, Prabha ma'am, Nihar ma'am, Mala ma'am, very good evening. Nidhi ma'am, very good evening. Prabha ma'am, hi. Suma Vaishnavi ma'am, hi. Subha ma'am, hi. Suchita ma'am, Neel ma'am, hi. So today we will be seeing some mixed collection. So premium also I'll be showcasing. Some budget Georgettes also I'll be showcasing today. So this week, this is the last live. Okay, this week this is the last live. Okay, welcome sir. Sanjeev sir, welcome sir. Saroj ma'am, hi. Shobha ma'am, hi. Saraswati ma'am, hi. Yes, of course, beautiful collection Divya ma'am, no doubt. महाराष्ट्र में कितने दिन में ऑर्डर डिलीवरी हो जाएगा मैम? रेडी स्टॉक इट टेक्स 48 आवर्स टू डिस्पैच के लिए 2 days लगता है. वंस डिस्पैच यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट विद इन 5 वर्किंग डेज में. शिफाली मैम, थैंक यू मैम. सुमन मैम, हाई. पूर्णिमा मैम, प्रभावती मैम, ब्यूटिफुल ब्लाउज कलेक्शन, थैंक यू मैम. So actually this blouse piece, this material I have taken from outside and I have done Ari work. So I can mix match for other saris. It's not a sari blouse. So I have taken this material separately and I have done some green color work. Like that I have done peach color, Rani color, some different colors mein work I have done. How to order ma'am? Only thing is website Vijayashri ma'am. Website, you have to order only through website. We are not encouraging any other see, ours is Nidharshana Sarees, you can see here. If you go to Nidharshana Sarees website page, this is the front page. You have to check new arrivals. Here there is a menu, new arrivals. Okay, new arrivals, silk saree, semi silk saree, menu is there. You just click that new arrival option, menu. Thank you Pushpa ma'am. Okay, all the sarees comes here. Whatever I have showcased yesterday also it is there. I have not given post for the saree otherwise. So whatever saree I have showcased, all the sarees available in the website. Okay, you have to go next page. Usually video may we give product code. So I'll show you that also. Product code we usually give. In case this video, the product code is NSCOT1069. Okay, this product code you have to search in the website. There is a search bar here. Okay, the search bar will come. In that search bar you type that product code, then that particular product will open. You just add whatever you like, you just add it in the cart. Same like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Big Basket. Okay, Bling and और क्या है, Blinkit है अभी, within 5-10 minutes delivery Blinkit. So online में these are the options. So this is very easy to book. Exhibition sarees are, yes ma'am, exhibition sarees only I am showcasing daily. So this week completely exhibition sarees only I am showcasing. The problem in online I am trying from yesterday night. Ma'am, no, I think no problem. Everything is sorted out. So we are getting good orders in website. Namaste Usha ma'am. Okay, we will start with different catalog today. Okay, I have a pure crepe silk with a silk mark tag. We have in clearance. These sarees are in clearance. I'll tell you the exact price and also the clearance price of the saree. So why we are clearing the stock is the zari pull out. You can see here. Zari pull out. This is the problem. Zari ka problem hai. Weaving problem in the zari. Okay. This pure Mysore crepe silk saree has a weaving problem. That's why we are giving in a throwaway price. Okay, you will get along with the silk mark tag. Silk mark tag के साथ you will get this saree. And the saree 11,999 was the earlier price. Again, the slash price is 10,500. Today you are getting in a throwaway price of 9,099. 9099. 9,100. You assume like this. So 9,100 May you are getting this saree. So almost 1,400 rupees you are getting off in this saree. I shared picture on WhatsApp earlier. Please check. Sheetal ma'am, we are not taking any WhatsApp booking. Sheetal ma'am, if the saree is not available in the website, then it is sold out. So this is pure Mysore crepe silk saree. 80 to 100 GSM. This saree is 80 to 100 GSM. Pure Mysore crepe silk saree. The complaint in the saree is zari. So this zari, the weaving is not proper in the saree. It's a weaving mistake saree. We are clearing. So 9,100 is the price. 9,099. So I'm giving free shipping for all the sarees. And this is the pallu. Okay, the color is dusky. Dusky bhi nahi hai. Pale pink color. The color is not bright pink. This is pale pink with a royal blue color combination. Light royal blue color combination. And iska blouse piece kidhar hai? Okay. Okay. Contrast blouse piece will come. So 9,099. No WhatsApp booking, Sheetal ma'am. Only you can book with my team. If you are an old customer, if you are already giving WhatsApp bookings to my team, you can continue with them. Otherwise, office number say no WhatsApp booking. We have one more color in pure Mysore crepe silk saree. This is Rama blue with royal blue color combination. Again, there is a weaving problem. Okay. So this saree has some weaving problem. Okay, this is a weaving mistake saree, what I'm showcasing. 9,099. Actual price is 11,999. This is the actual price. 11,999. Yes, 11,999 is the actual price. And in sale price, 10,500 may we try to clear. And today we are clearing this for 9,900. Upper side and lower side border. Big border saree it is. One more color is deep red with the green color. So these are some minute weaving mistakes are there. So 9,099 is the price for this saree. This is red with the green color. Chili red. Chili red with green color. These are three colors available in clearance. Vaishnavi, ये दे दो Vaishnavi. किसी को immediately fold करने के लिए बोलो. Fold मा, first fold बने. And we have few sarees in still more throwaway price में 6,999 है ना? Oh yes. So all are pure Mysore crepe silk saree in a throwaway price में. So these all 80 GSM ऐसा कुछ आएगा. So these sarees are 80 GSM में it will come. Deep purple color with the green color combination. And this is the pallu. So these are pure Mysore crepe silk saree. You will get along with the silk mark tag. So silk mark tag के साथ आएगा. This saree is 80 to 100 GSM. 6,899. Okay, this saree, this pure Mysore crepe silk saree is priced at 6,899. Okay, the throwaway price I am giving 6,899. Actual price 9,999. Okay, ऐसे ही show कर देती हूँ. See, you can check the price here. So actual price is 9,999. And again, one more price will be 7,980. So today the throwaway price is 6,899. 6,899. We have one beautiful shade purple with green. One more. एक एक डिजाइन में भी खोल देंगे लक्ष्मी. ठीक है ना? Orange खोलेंगे क्या? We have one more color in this. It's a cardamom green with the deep green color combination. It's a cardamom green color. कैसे ऑर्डर करें मैम? वेबसाइट मैम. पुष्पा, you are uploading no in website. No, you just upload now. Pick, you take one rough pick. आपकी साड़ी का प्राइस मैं बताती हूँ मैम. मेरा साड़ी का प्राइस बताती हूँ. Okay, we have two colors in this pattern. 6,899. पुड़ी माँ वैसे. हाँ, this is single piece available. This is no weaving mistake, nothing. This saree only single piece available in this design. Rama blue with the royal blue color. Okay, only single pieces available. This is pure Mysore crepe silk saree in a clearance price. क्या price है clearance इसका?
10,500 no.
हाँ 10,500 is the clearance. Actual MRP बताओ.
12,100 no.
Okay, 12,100 is the actual MRP. 10,500. Okay, 10,500 is the clearance price. These all 100 GSM, 100 to 120 GSM wala saree, heavy saree it is. Okay, that's the complete look. इसमें completely zari will come. It's a pure Mysore crepe silk saree with the silk mark tag. Shakti ma'am, what to reply you? 4 to 5 range में I'll bring ma'am, fresh stocks I'll bring. So 4 to 5 range में we got some 60 sarees sold in Expo itself. So a few more sarees are on the way. Once it's reached, I'll show one live show for pure Mysore crepe silk. Okay, this is one more saree. This has some weaving defect. I'll show you. So you can see, no, here. As a crisscross gaya hai. So you can see here, right? So crisscross, the weaving is in crisscross, not straight. Weaving defect on the saree. Okay, this is beautiful orange with the magenta color combination. Okay, this is orange with magenta. 10,500 hai kya ye bhi? Haan.
7,980. 10,999.
Haan, this is MRP 10,999. Clearance price?
6,999.
6,999. This is throwaway price, 6,999. You cannot get it anywhere in the market mein. 6,999 is the best price for this rich saree. Because of weaving defect, we are clearing the stock. 6,999. Blouse piece. Beautiful color, this one. And isme dark green we have. Dark green with Rani, 6,999. So complete saree as zari. Again, a crisscross weaving has come. This is a defect on the saree. This crisscross weaving है ना यहाँ पे. So this is no coming. आपको और थोड़ा closer में दिखाती हूँ. What is the mistake? You can understand. Okay, no? So this itna closer you can understand, right? This is the weaving defect on the saree. That's why we are giving in a throwaway price of 6,999. Okay, so small border wala Mysore crepe silk saree itself 5,000 to 5,500. So this is in a very good price of 6,999. We have lavender with royal blue. One more color, lavender with the royal blue color, 6,999. The last color, light pastel Rama blue with the royal blue color. All the colors are nice. 6,999 is the price. Ma'am, whatever is there in the website, that is only available, ma'am. If it is sold out, sold out. COD nahi hai, ma'am. Okay, coming to my saree. The saree what I'm draping is viscose crepe saree. I'll just go back. Okay. It's a satin mix material it is. A kind of crepe material. Viscose crepe it is. It has a center printing. Like digital print में center panel will come. And यहाँ पे आपको दिखाऊंगी थोड़ा idea मिलेगा. Correct ना? पकड़ी हूँ. Okay. So center panel में printing हुआ है. It's a digital print. And also zari work has come. And this is the pallu with the tassels. And this saree comes along with the butta pattern blouse piece. थोड़ा mix match की हूँ blouse piece. I have 5 pieces ready to dispatch. And the price is 3,000. 3,499 is the price. It's a deep green with the lavender color, dusky lavender color combination. You can check here. Okay. And this is the fabric. Colors I'll show, ma'am. Yeah. Colors I'll show in this. So this, I have one deep color. Other colors are pastel colors in this catalog. This is deep green color with the zari concept. Either side same kind of concept will come. And the center may you will get this print. Okay, digital print. It's a viscose crepe silk saree what I'm showcasing. So pallu I have already showcased you. And this is the blouse piece. So butta pattern mein the blouse piece will come. Okay, this is the complete look. 3,499. Free shipping is the price for this saree. This is deep color. I have one subtle color. This is something like half white. Half white या green में जरा half white ना. Okay. I have in half white. Again, it has a texture. So half white में it has a marble kind of prints. Marble printing कैसा होता है वैसा print है. And that's the center of the saree. Okay. That's the center portion of the saree. And the saree carries a pallu in a self color, zari pallu, and then same butta pattern mein blouse piece will come. Okay, 3,499. This is viscose crepe silk. What I'm showcasing. This is pista green color, beautiful color. You can pair up with a dark green color blouse piece. This is pista green color. Again, center mein printing concept, beautiful. So these concepts are no in pen kalamkari sarees mein. You can get all this concept in that kind of sarees. So these sarees are no copied from kalamkaris. Pure kalamkari se this is a inspiration. Okay, this is a printed concept with the zari, pista green color body. Hema ma'am, thank you ma'am. Pallu. It's beautiful pallu iska and blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this saree. 3,499 free shipping. आप एक गोल्डन साड़ी जिसका रील भी आपने शेयर किया था 999 का प्लीज उसका अरेंज कर दो. हाँ मैम अवेलेबल गोल्डन कलर साड़ी इट इज अवेलेबल नो नाउ टुडे रेडी टू डिस्पैच. गोल्ड कलर 999 नीता अंबानी प्री बुकिंग ओवर स्टिल स्टॉक इज देयर नो okay I'll arrange ma'am stock is over I'll arrange to keep some excellent person who knows all languages. Nidharshana I know really don't appreciate today it was difficult to call the person who first known in English. My yesterday's 1 to 7 live saree. What is the code number? Can you type the code number? Yesterday's live code number saree. Ma'am, if you check new arrivals column, I mean the menu, all the sarees are available in the website. If in case sold out, we cannot arrange ma'am. Sold out stock will be sold out. If you call and ask them in the telephone also, they will tell you sold out only. Okay. One more beautiful shade. Viscose crepe silk. One more beautiful shade. It's a dusky lavender color. Center wala print will be like this. It's a pichwai concept followed. And then zari. So double side plain body with a zari concept. And that's the pallu, running pallu. Again zari ka running pallu will come. Matching blouse piece. Kumari ma'am, hi. To many of them I didn't say hi also. I'm very keen about watching the sarees. ये आपको explain करना है करके I'm very keen about. Okay. Again, one more pista green. The previous wala has some embossed digital prints. And this has some multicolor. So multicolor prints on the upper side. Again, center panel will be like this. Printing will be like this. Either side you will get a beautiful zari with sleek border. That's the beautiful pallu, zari pallu. So dark green color mein zari pallu you will get. And this is the blouse piece. It's a viscose crepe silk saree, what I'm showcasing. 3,499. Yes, 3,499 free shipping. We have one deep lavender color. Okay. Deep lavender color saree. And that's the pallu. Ma'am, we are ready to recruit Sarala, ma'am. People has to come and join, no. We are ready to recruit the people. It is not something like we are not recruiting karke. More than 30-40 people are working here. But the people should come. They have to show some willingness to join here. Okay. And iska pallu. Zari pallu will come. And butta pattern blouse piece will come. Pushpa, iska code number. This one code number. Can you type in the FB and Instagram? So 12. You type it. So I'll type the code number of this saree. Product code I'll type in the comment section. One more pista. Teen pista green with different print mein. So this is one more print in pista green color. Pastel green it is, not pista also. This is pastel sea green it is. Mamta ma'am, hi. Devi ma'am, thank you. Thank you, Sarla ma'am. Thanks for understanding. Because we are ready. We are ready to pay them. We are ready to take them. But people is not coming. See, this Ramurthy Nagar is somewhat It is interior, like it's a old type of place hai. It's not something like Jayanagar or Malleshwaram. So that area mein you will get more working people. That category of people you can find more. So this is something like, this is remote for them, this Rammurti Nagar. So getting people is very difficult, ma'am. Here people know all the languages. We have Telugu speaking people, we have Hindi, English, Tamil. So all the languages they speak. Maybe they'll be busy in other calls. We have 4 to 5 dedicated person for the customer care, only for the attending the phones. Okay, this is pista green color what I've showcased. One more pretty shade. Both beautiful air shade. This is navy blue. Very beautiful. Very beautiful color. Navy blue. Okay, a kind of dual print it is with a zari border. Beautiful here. Very beautiful saree. मस्त साड़ी ये नहीं है क्या? Okay. Pallu. Blouse piece. Very must saree it is. Price is 3499, ma'am. This is viscose crepe silk. What I'm showcasing. We have grey. It's a blue grey with a deep grey color ka central print. And pallu. Beautiful pallu. Matching blouse piece in blue grey shade. This is also very nice color. So whoever likes the subtle colors, they can go for this color. Beautiful. Pista green color. Ma'am, only website, ma'am. Please order through only website.
It's my last color.
We have one more pista. Lakshmi sticker nikalo. We have one more pista green color. इसमें आपको zigzag and dotted kind of printed concept will come. Sheetal ma'am, thank you Sheetal ma'am. It's a by birth quality. It is not going from me, Sheetal ma'am. Okay, price is 3499 Prativa ma'am. I already told no price 3499. Okay, this is 3499. Beautiful sarees. These all don't miss it. So center में एक pista green and then yellowish green type का panel print will come. Center panel print will come. And pallu, zari pallu and matching blouse piece in a dusky green shade. Beautiful saree again. Okay, we'll be moving to another catalog. It's a tussar georgette again. Crush में? हाँ. Okay, नहीं tussar नहीं है georgette. So this is georgette saree, not tussar georgette. Georgette. This saree has a crush butta. So butta is crush format में butta will come. And that's the crush pallu. The pallu is crush again. Okay, this is the border. A zigzag kind of woven border. मैंने एक साड़ी बुक किया था. That time हमको नहीं मालूम था कि साड़ी के साथ शिपिंग फ्री नहीं है. कि मेंबर से 150 शिपिंग पेमेंट करने के लिए बोल रहे. मैम हमारा लोग क्यों पेमेंट करने के लिए बोलेंगे? आपका बुकिंग ऑर्डर नंबर क्या है किरण मैम? यू टेल मी द ऑर्डर नंबर. ओके, ऑर्डर नंबर टेल मी. वो कौन सा नंबर में ऑर्डर दिया है? टेल मी द फोन नंबर ऑल्सो. टू विच नंबर यू हैव ऑर्डर द साड़ी एंड आपका ऑर्डर नंबर. यू टेल मी बोथ द थिंग्स बिकॉज आई नीड टू वेरीफाई. हमारा ऑफिस नंबर से ही ऑर्डर हुआ क्या? सरला मैम, थैंक यू सरला मैम. नेहलता मैम, हाई, थैंक यू. हाउ टू ऑर्डर मैम? वेबसाइट. आप पुराना कस्टमर है तो मेरा टीम से ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं क्योंकि पुराना कस्टमर्स ऑलरेडी नोज माई टीम नंबर. देर आर अ सेट ऑफ लेडीज हु वर्किंग फॉर निदर्शना सारीज. दे आर ऑनलाइन टीम. सो ओनली ऑनलाइन के लिए दे आर वर्किंग. So if you are an old customer, obviously you know the phone numbers. You can go ahead and book with them. Because of lot of fake accounts, we are strictly close these WhatsApp bookings. We don't want to give a chance to them. That's why this ma'am is telling 150 rupees shipping पूछ रहे. See, when you are ordering through online, so online में booking हो जाता है. Separately, we are not collecting any shipping charges. If it is a free shipping or extra shipping, you are paying through website only. So how come my team will ask you separately pay me 150 rupees shipping charge karke? That is impossible. I want to understand whether you ordered in Nidharshana Sarees website or you are talking about some fake pages. Please give me the order number and your mobile number. This would helps. So I can type your mobile number in my app. So it will show you what all the orders I got from you karke. Okay. When stocks are available, 48 hours, ma'am. Safe side, we are telling 48 hours. 5 working days, may you will get. Rajaji Nagar near. Okay, ma'am. Will do. Definitely, we will be doing expo all over the Bangalore. But we need time for that. Okay. You see WhatsApp chatting in this number only. Which number, ma'am? Number send me, Kiran, ma'am. Okay, crush butta. Okay, this is crush butta. You can see the texture here. This is crush butta, crush pallu, and matching blouse piece. This is the matching blouse piece. This is deep magenta color. Ma number क्या है इसका? Number चाहिए क्या? Okay. Okay, this is Georgette saree, lightweight saree it is. Very lightweight saree. Colors दिखाएंगे. Price क्या है? Price नहीं बताइए. 2699. This Georgette saree is priced at 2699. We have colors in this. We have one more color. It's a Rama blue. एक peacock blue जैसा है. Soumya ma'am, thank you Soumya ma'am. Semi satin polka dots are available or not? 799 वाला ma available. Gajji satin. I mean modal satin. Pre-booking. Ma'am, it's available in website. It's a pre-booking. You just go through the website, ma'am. Otherwise, type the keyword. Ma 9088620045. Whose number it is? Note the number. 9088 62 0045 45. किसका number है देखो. Ma'am, this is not belongs to any of our number, ma'am. This is not belongs to any of our number. Only our booking number is 96068 67467. 9088 620045. It is your number or my staff number? Your number, Kiran ma'am, please clarify me. Your number or staff number? Clarify me that. Okay, this is blue shade. 2699 is the price. This is blue color. One more color is a deep green color. So Georgette mein, this is lightweight Georgette saree with a crush butta and crush pallu. 2699 free shipping is the price. Your collection. Thank you, ma'am. You give me that laptop. Laptop itself you give me. Okay, why you guys are taking manual? Very previous. Ma'am, this saree, the yellow saree, that order you take, no? Not created the order, but which saree it is? Yellow saree. Okay. Okay, that 799 वाला साड़ी लेके आ जाओ. Sarala ma'am, seriously ma'am, if people are no asking where is my parcel, then the first thing strikes in my mind whether the customer ordered with me or fake account. That fake wala is using my daughter's picture. Today morning I forwarded to my team. He is using my daughter's pictures and all. What to do, I don't know. Ma'am, this saree is 799 shipping extra. You have ordered this saree through manual. So this is 799 shipping extra. You have to pay shipping charges, ma'am. Otherwise, we will cancel the order. You know, everybody knows. This is 799. 799 who will give you this saree? Nobody will give you this saree. So few sarees, no, I'm making to see few sarees we don't get any profits. We don't to make you satisfied, and you have to feel that okay, Nidharshana has given something in a very good price karke. So this is 799 wala. I have given the saree in a good deal. The same thing that modal satin saree. Modal satin saree market में selling for 2099 rupees. I have all the datas with me. Okay, 2099 में market में one of the sarees getting sold. I'm giving for 799. Then obviously I'll collect shipping charges extra. There is no much profit on those sarees. So few sarees we keep very less margin to make you satisfied, and I want to give some like quantity sales. Okay, for that reason, we will give some throwaway price with shipping extra. Other than few sarees, we are always collecting free shipping only. Only saree payment you are going to pay. Free shipping we are making. $7.99 free shipping may impossible. That to North India, you just think if I ask you to return the saree, then you are spending 300-400 rupees to return to us. Okay. Please open yellow saree. Yellow saree stock hai kya? Pushpa? No stock. No. Colors hai. So colors I'll show. Okay. So this we will continue. Rani color. So we have Rani color in this Georgette saree. 2699 free shipping. You can check the folding. This is a kind of crushed Georgette. The Georgette itself a crushed Georgette it is. We have green. Kind of क्या green बोलेंगे इसको? Emerald green. Emerald green ऐसा है. Okay. It's a green. Peacock green. है ना? Peacock green है ना माँ? Sapphire green. Okay. Sapphire green. Open the yellow saree, ma'am. Yellow saree, no stock, ma'am. Blue. Teal blue. Teal blue. दूसरा कलर लेके पुष्पा को किसी का ऑर्डर है मैम. वो somebody's order that yellow saree. So we have taken in lot. Few sarees, no, we take it in lot. So second production will not come. So for that kind of saree, see, usually what happens if this saree new product comes in the market, so it comes like 2000 rupees may, so we are buying. In case, for example, I am telling you, 2000 rupees may we are buying. In case you want few more stock, it will be in a running. Production will be in running. So again, we will program the saree and we will give for the production and we will deliver the saree to you. So this is the procedure in pre-booking or extra stock. This is the thing happening. So what happens, this lot saree, the supplier wants to close the product. There is no production, further no production. So, in one batch itself, we will buy some 3000, 4000 sarees. You don't think that 100, 200 sarees I'm not talking. So if they want to close some huge stock, then we have to take 3000, 4000 stocks. It's a risky thing. I don't know whether the saree will go or not. So that's why we are keeping in a nominal price because I want to clear that 3000, 4000 stock. It is not a joke. Like 3000, 4000 stock rakke, isko I can do 1299 free shipping also. I can give in that price. So why I am giving in that price? There is no production. Supplier wants to close this saree stock. So we have completely taken the stock and we have given you in a throwaway price. So that's why this production will not repeat again. So this is a closing stock. We are closing this model. Okay, this is steel blue, 2699 free shipping. हिंदी में, अच्छा मैम हिंदी में, कन्नड़ा में बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं. Okay, red color. This is red color, 2699 free shipping. That's all. Now we are moving to some cotton sarees. It's a mixed cotton again. Radhe Radhe Chaturvedi ma'am. Ramesh ma'am, hi. Okay, some mixed cotton saree. Okay, it's a lightweight saree. It's a cotton blend. The complete saree has a prints and एक हल्का सा एक border दिए है यहाँ पे. Zari-less saree. Chiku color, zari-less saree. Deep green with a chiku. And that's the pattern pallu. So this is not chanderi. This is a kind of cotton mix with the kalamkari concept blouse piece. Okay, we have colors. 1250 is the price. 1250 is the price. And the same print may other fabrics are coming. You have to differentiate with the tassel. So tassel will not be like this for the less range wala saree. Okay, this is premium cotton 1250 lightweight cotton it is. Show other colors in yellow saree. I'll show ma'am. So one more color is maroon with the chiku color. Chiku color pallu and same like pallu the blouse piece will come. This is the blouse piece. 1250. We have deep brown shade with the chiku color. Pallu, the same like pallu, blouse piece will come. 1250 free shipping is the price. We have deep purple, last shade in this catalog. Purple shade. 1250 free shipping. Ma'am, I have showcased some cotton sarees now. So 799 May, the shipping will be extra for this semi-silk saree. We have few colors available for the booking. This is green with red color. Patola concept zari has been followed with the zari butta all over the body. And iska pallu. Zari pallu will come. And the matching blouse piece. So only few colors are available. $7.99 and the shipping will be extra for this saree. For North India, definitely the shipping charges will be $150 will come. Obviously, you itself go and check in the courier company. Even though we have a tie-up, so few places $150, aram se they are charging. Pista green color. Pista green with the Rani color combination. Order number, ma'am, website Sarita, ma'am. Website, no order number. We have pastel blue green. Dual color it is. With the red color combination. My saree price is 3499, ma'am. We have royal blue with the red. Red, na? Okay. We have royal blue with the red color. 799 shipping will be extra for the saree. So last color yellow available nahi hai. This is last color, half white with the red color. 799. The shipping will be extra for this saree. These are semi silk sarees. Mixed silk it is. We have pure satin silk saree. Price 3999 hai kya?
3099.
Okay, 3099 mein. Not bad. We have satin silk. 3099. The price is 3099. It has a matte zari. And the pallu. The pallu will be a zari pallu. That's the pallu. A kind of crush pallu it is. Pallu is a crush pallu concept. And this ka blouse piece. So matching blouse piece. Even blouse piece has this crush concept. 3099 is the price. We have light pastel blue. Restock नहीं मैम वही बोल रही हूँ ना restock नहीं होगा. The production is closed. That's why I'm giving the 799 वाला price. Otherwise I cannot give you this price. We have lavender with dark color खोलो लक्ष्मी. We have lavender. This is a satin silk saree. Okay, you can check the texture. This is satin silk. 3099 is the price. And the shipping will be extra. We have lavender. And we have dark shade also available in this catalog. It's a kind of red color. Maroon red. Maroon red. Ah, beautiful color. Maroon red it is. This is maroon red color. Crush pallu will come. And then matching blouse piece will come. 3099. Okay. With the border. Sleeves के लिए border दिए. Order करने पर पहले ही हाँ मैम वेबसाइट में पहला ही ऑर्डर आप जो ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं ना पेमेंट करने के बाद ही वो ऑर्डर नंबर क्रिएट होगा. वी हैव हाफ वाइट 3099 इज द प्राइस. ओके हाफ वाइट कलर. वी हैव डीप नेवी ब्लू. ओके डीप नेवी ब्लू कलर इन दिस कैटलॉग एंड वी हैव डीप वाइन कलर. दिस इज डीप वाइन. Magenta wine it is. Deep wine. My saree, Chini ma'am, my saree price is 3499. Red. This is maroon red, this is red. Chili red it is. Ekdam michi color. 3099. She shows chiffon, one color saree for party wear. Chiffon. Chiffon तो आज नहीं है मैम because we are doing from warehouse. यहाँ पे क्या है ना जो प्रोडक्ट नया आता है वही खोल के हम लोग लाइव में दिखाते हैं. सो मतलब जो भी साड़ी आपका रिक्वायरमेंट होता है ना अलग अलग सो वी कैन फाइंड ऑल दिस रिक्वायरमेंट इन द शोरूम. दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम हियर. ओके जॉर्जेट साड़ी. वी हैव सम decent party wear kind georgette saree with the zari border. Okay, the fabric is georgette with the printed and then zari border concept में. जूली मैम हाय. संगीता गिरीश मैम कुछ बोलिए क्या है देखो. एंड इसका टेक्सचर देख लीजिए. इट्स अ शेडेड काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर. हाय अक्का. हाय मैम. ओके इट्स अ शेडेड काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल जॉर्जेट साड़ी. pallu running pallu with the tassels and matching blouse piece with the zari. Matching blouse also carries a zari. 1250 is the price. Kusum ma'am amount ma'am क्या amount है? This is 1250.
Size 51.
Okay, this is 1250. This is green shade, light pastel green, dark green. Leheria concept mein the shade has been followed. Light and dark color shade. We have colors in this. We have dusky lavender color, light and dark shade lavender color. It is 1250. Free shipping is the price. Okay. And we have mauve pink, next color. Plain black mein. Yes. We have mauve pink, light and dark color, mauve pink color. 1250 is the price. We have blue, pastel blue and dark blue. 1250 is the price. Material is Georgette Lata ma'am. This is Georgette saree. Hey, और एक mauve pink गया है देखो. Different இருக்கா? அப்படியா? Yes, peach. इसमें peach mix. This is peach mix. This is more into the onion color. எனக்கு என்ன ஒண்ணா தான் தெரியுது. Onion color. Border change. Okay. This is onion color. We have grey. Last color we have is grey. This is a Georgette saree. So single pleat में दिखा रही हूँ. This is a Georgette. Okay, 1250.
Mahalakshmi Aishwarya, 699 sorry. Mahalakshmi.
हाँ. Check that chart.
और इसमें
Viscose है क्या again? Unga. 3450 ma'am. First itself I finished my saree. Because many of them know if I show last May, many of them asking my saree. So this live video first itself I have finished. क्या साड़ी है ये? Okay. Again one more beautiful saree in a satin fabric में. Beautiful the saree is. Very classy it is. Okay, satin material, but thin है साड़ी, not too thick. Satin will be more thick and slippery, but this is very thin and easy to carry है. Gaji satin. Nice, beautiful saree. This is something like an onion color, deep onion color, and that's the Meena weaving skirting border style has been followed. And this is the back of the zari. Okay, upper side there is a border, lower side mein skirting Meena border will come. Amina ma'am, it is going, I mean it is growing Amina ma'am. I cannot stop. If you want me to do the haircut, I'll do. Pallu. It's beautiful zari pallu, matte zari. Do you have mull cotton? As of now, no ma'am. Okay, blouse piece. So running color, blouse piece will come with the thread emboss and then zari border 2899. So this is Gaji satin, what I am showcasing. 2899. Free shipping is the price for the saree. Beautiful. Wow, the color. Wow, beautiful color. Beautiful this color is. है ना? Color कैसा है देखो. Okay, beautiful blue it is. Ujala blue. Ujala blue ले ஒரு 1000 watts light போட்ட மாதிரி ஒரு blue. Super blue it is. Very beautiful blue. Dola saree. Ma'am, Dola saree. Today no Dola saree ma'am. Today is mix of party wear. Okay, blouse piece. Wow, beautiful it is. 2899. Red. This is also not bad. Very equivalent to royal blue color. Beautiful. See? Beautiful it is. 2899. Robin blue. Yes, Pragya ma'am. That is no. ऐसा आंख में आके खड़ा है वो blue. Beautiful blue. Pallu. Soumya ma'am. Thank you, Soumya ma'am. Blouse piece. Running color blouse piece will come. Thread embossed with the zari border. थोड़ा पीछे जाऊं क्या मैं? मेरा मुंह ही दिख रहा है वो लाइव में. साड़ी नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, this is the look. 2899. सच में 2899 है क्या ये? ये काट सकते हैं लक्ष्मी. ये काट दो ये. मतलब फिनिशिंग नहीं हुआ है साड़ी का.
ओके
वो जल्दी जल्दी में करके दिया है वो, नहीं फिनिशिंग नहीं है, काट सकते हैं हम लोग. वी हैव वन मोर ब्लू, इट्स टील ब्लू, सिल्क साड़ी का कलर है ये, प्योर सिल्क साड़ी कलर है ये. यूजुअली प्योर सिल्क साड़ी में दिस कलर विल कम. पल्लू, मैचिंग ब्लाउज पीस. 2899 is the price. So 200 people are watching Insta, equal to Facebook. We have onion color. Onion भी नहीं है, it's a kind of mauve pink color. Beautiful shade. English shade it is. It's a very subtle color. 2899 is the price. Pallu, matching blouse piece. Last color is Rani color. We have deep Rani in this catalog. 2899 is the price. So we have skirting type of border. Beautiful sari. Very nice sari it is. So these are all very limited saris available and the price is very reasonable. So my price is very reasonable for all this sari. Ma'am, because they have taken through camera, ma'am. This is deep green. What I am wearing is a deep green. Ma, website made light green जैसा it is coming करके customer is complaining. How you are taking the picture? Mobile picture. Why you are hurry burry you are taking?
वो थोड़ा बिजी था मार्केट में एडिटिंग.
ठीक है मैम, that one taken with the mobile ma'am. So once this live is done, because our cameraman is not come, cameraman has not come. 1 week holiday में गया है. So these girls are taking photos and that's why I am coming live. That's the secret behind why I am coming live. If my cameraman is there every day, I will go for the videos. So tomorrow he is coming and tomorrow onwards I will not come live. I will be busy in videos. Okay, Kalyani cotton sarees. So next we have Kalyani cotton. We have thread butta concept, zari butta concept. All concept sarees are available in Kalyani cotton. And this is thread butta with the zari border. The color is a kind of cement color with a maroon color combination. माँ इसका प्राइस क्या है मुझे बताओ. ओके फ्री शिपिंग दे दो. ओके 999 फ्री शिपिंग. पल्लू दिखाई हो ना, पल्लू, इसका पल्लू इन मेरून शेड एंड द मैचिंग ब्लाउज पीस. This colors. So we have colors in Kalyani cotton saree. It's a kind of orange, beautiful orange with a deep green color combination. Coffee, no ma'am, yet to take coffee. After 5:30 I'll take. Okay. So one more beautiful shade. It's a kind of pastel blue with the Rama blue color combination. 999 free shipping is the price. We have single color tone. This is very beautiful. So I want to drape this color. ये कल ही मैं सोची थी इसका ये कलर मुझे ड्रेप करना है करके. यस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल दिस कलर. वेरी ट्रेडिशनल कलर है ये. सिंगल में गया है. सो यू कैन पेयर अप मेरून कलर फॉर दिस साड़ी. सो आई वांट टू ड्रेप दिस कलर. ये वाला कलर मुझे ड्रेप करना है एंड वन मोर कलर ऑल्सो मैं देख के रखी हूँ कलर. यस अभी टाइम मिलेगा स्टॉक होगा तो आई विल ड्रेप दिस कलर. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल शेड ऑफ डीप मेरून विथ कॉफी मेरून कलर बॉर्डर. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी. आई वांट टू ड्रेप दिस साड़ी. कॉटन साड़ी है ये बट आई वांट टू ड्रेप दिस कलर. पल्लू, मैचिंग ब्लाउज पीस. क्लासिक दिस कलर इज. वी हैव पिस्ता ग्रीन with a violet color combination. 999 free shipping. It's a cool ma'am. It's a cotton ma'am. It's a Kalyani cotton is a very authentic cotton in South India में. So in north में they call us Gadwal silk, Gadwal cotton sarees. Gadwal sarees करके they call. But in South India में they call us Kalyani cotton sarees. So these all very nice saree for the summer, no doubt. Dusky pista green with a purple color. ये क्या है ऐसे दिए हाथ में.
सारी
Okay, we have maroon. Yes, deep maroon with a green color combination. Okay, cost is 999 free shipping. 999 free shipping is the price. We have 100 sarees available for today's show के लिए. Kalyani cotton alone 100 sarees are available. Yellow with red. Beautiful, this color. Yellow with red. And this is something like wine color. Wine color mein green color. Wine with green it is. It is wine with green. 999 free shipping. 999 collection. Thank you, Tripti ma'am. Thank you so much. This makes us look full. No, ma'am. No, Manvi ma'am. It is very soft. So that's why I wanted to drape and show you how this Kalyani cotton sari will be. It's a very beautiful sari. This is peacock blue with a magenta color. Beautiful color. This combination also beautiful, Lakshmi. Peacock blue with magenta. Beautiful. And this is silver zari mein maroon with black. Something in a silver zari thread butta. Complete body mein thread butta will come. Lightweight sari, ma'am. This is lightweight sari. Manvi ma'am, no doubt, ye fulega nahi. You don't don't feel heavy on this sari. This is lightweight sari and this is cotton sari. ये आपको मतलब hug करेगा body में. This is 100% sure. Okay, we have some semi Mysore crepe silk sari for today. So we have showcased all the sari in the expo. Expo में we have got very good response for the sari. Okay, in future इसका response अच्छा है तो I'll give you in a quantity में. Like single color, आपको पता है 200, 300, 400 pieces in single color we usually sell in Mysore crepe silk sari में. So like that I'll bring. So which I don't have idea which color goes hit. So I'll showcase all these colors. In case चाहिए मतलब we can program these saris. Okay, it's a printed concept semi Mysore crepe silk sari, kalamkari printed concept and magenta color border के साथ, yellow with magenta and pallu, zari pallu, beautiful blouse piece. Price 2099. The price is also very reasonable, 2099. So for draping I don't have time, so that's why I'm directly showcasing in the live shows. If anything goes good, no, definitely I'll drape that color and I'll take the quantity bookings. This is the complete sari. Okay. So we have colors. So first color I have showcased yellow with magenta, and this is white color, not half white. White color में जा रहा है. White with Rani. This is white with Rani. 2099 is the price. White with Rani. Beautiful sari. We have peach with magenta. How to order, ma'am? Website, ma'am. Website. New customers, please place your orders through website. No risk. फिर मेरा वीडियो देखे आप फेक अकाउंट में पे कर देंगे, फिर यहाँ पे आके बोलेंगे. So no risk. Only website or Play Store में जाके Nidharshana Sarees app. Download that app. 2099. You can check the texture. Beautiful saree it is. We have light peach. Green. कैसे दिख रहा है? Maybe in their mobile it is different. It is showing different. We have one more peach with magenta color, deep magenta, jamuni color it is. 2099. Niveda ma'am, thank you Niveda ma'am. Beautiful sari. Chandrakala ma'am, thank you. Wow, beautiful. Reshma ma'am, thank you. नहीं फुलता है, कल्याणी कॉटन नहीं फुलता है, ये तो absolutely नहीं फुलता है. This saree, this is light orange. This is light केसर, उतना light भी नहीं है, and not Fanta also. Fanta, this is not exactly Fanta or light orange. This is something like केसर orange it is. Beautiful color. Wow, lavender. Next we have lavender with black. Probably मुझे ये drape करना पड़ेगा. Beautiful color. Lavender with black color. 2099 is the price. One more pretty shade. Yellow with black. 2099 is the price. Pochampalli. We have yellow with green. Light yellow with the green color. 2099. Ma'am, semi Mysore crepe silk saree, ma'am. These are Mysore crepe silk saree में semi varieties. These are not pure silk. So we have light pastel blue with the magenta color. Okay, now moving to viscose cotton. It's a blend of viscose and cotton. 899 वाला range है क्या? 899 वाला range we have showcased in yesterday's video. I mean live video में. I have few more designs to showcase. This is one of the design. So this saree has a printed concept on the body. So ये पूरा printed में जा रहा है. This is printed. Again, this is a printed and zari format. यहाँ पे zari का concept has been followed. And this is something like a chocolate color. The color is chocolate brown with a black color combination. 899 free shipping is the price. And this saree has got beautiful ajrak ka pallu hai kya? Yes. Okay, pallu. And then polka wala, bandhani style wala blouse piece will come. This is something like a deep black bhi nahi hai. This is maroon shade. I mean brown shade. Chocolate brown and maroon. Brown color. Deep maroon color. 899 free shipping is the price. So we have colors in this. We have deep gray color. So gray with black. Deep gray with the black color. 899 is the price. And we have yellow. It's a mehndi yellow with the black color. ये भी black ही लग रहा है, फिर सब में black दिया तो नहीं, ये black भी इसमें थोड़ा different है ना, थोड़ा जामुनी कलर जैसा है ना ये. Okay. This is mehndi yellow with the black. This is mauve pink, rust pink it is with the jamun color. Border is jamun color. We have dusky green with the navy blue color. Okay, this is the last color. These all sarees are 899 free shipping. Coffee color, maybe Radhika ma'am. This is first saree is chocolate with coffee color. It is not black. Okay, one more beautiful saree. Dola. It's a pure Dola saree. Yes, viscose Dola it is. You can imagine वो डोला कैसा होता है, मतलब pure Dola, not 899 वाला डोला. Okay, so this is something like a premium Dola saree, viscose blend. This also viscose blend hai. Gripness is more in the saree, easy to carry, lightweight. Please make sure all the party wear sarees, make sure the dry clean. Okay, and the saree, it's a kind of computerized print hota hai na. वैसा computerized print nahi hai, weaving hai. So this is a weaving. Kalyani cotton website में uploaded. It's uploaded ma'am. Okay, Rani color. Thank you Pooja ma'am. And this is the pallu. Beautiful pallu. This is pallu. Self color pallu. And this is the blouse piece. Blouse, butta and the border will come. This is number. नहीं blouse है इसका. हाँ है इसमें blouse है. Running में दिया है. वो separate करो. Price 2099. 2099. These all very nominal price. So आप बाहर जाके चेक करेंगे तो definitely इसका प्राइस होगा 3000 से कम नहीं है ये वाला साड़ी का प्राइस. So these all very nominal. 2099. We have grey color in this. Okay, grey. Grey. Pallu. So इसका पल्लू and then matching blouse piece. माँ लक्ष्मी साड़ी का लेंथ चेक करो. हाँ डबल ब्लाउज दिया है तो. Ma'am, refresh the page, Vani ma'am. Details of the saree. I'm wearing viscose crepe silk. Price is 3499 ma'am. It's a crepe saree what I'm draping. This is a green, deep green color. Deep green color. 3 colors available in this. 3 na? और भी है क्या? Okay, with the matching blouse piece. में दिया ऐसा. We have lavender color. Okay, we have lavender color in this catalog. Pallu and matching blouse piece. We have red in this. इंस्टा में 1 hour के बाद अपने आप कट हो जाता है लाइव. 1 hour हो गया ना, कट हो जाएगा ब्लाउज पीस. And we have tomato pink. It's a peach pink. This is 2099 ma'am. जरी इरिटेट करने वाली नहीं रेखा मैम, बहुत सॉफ्ट है ये साड़ी. 2099 में एकदम बढ़िया साड़ी है पूरा. डेफिनेटली लोग पूछेंगे. इतना कम रेट में इतना मस्त साड़ी है करके, ऐसा टाइप का साड़ी है पूरा। डेफिनेटली इरिटेट नहीं होगा आपको। मैं इरिटेट होने वाला साड़ी मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं लाती हूँ। पूरा मेरा टेस्टिंग के